So this is what your screen will look like once you start a new project. This will be your work area where you can see all of the objects, where you can move around. This is your actors bar. You can change the modes. And this will be where you can select certain items that are already in your scene. And this is where you can upload your own content. So for starters, looking at your scene, you want to be able to move around. I'm using a mouse and a laptop, so if I click my left mouse and drag it back and forth, I can move the screen. If I click with my right mouse button, I can pan the screen, but it doesn't move your view, your camera. Now if you click the WASD keys while you're holding right mouse, it can move you around in your scene so you can get at different angles. A basic scene that comes set up also comes with the background, which if you select it is called a sky sphere. You can change the options in the sky sphere inside of here. This is where you can edit objects in the scene. It comes with light. This one is a directional light, which lets you see whatever is in your scene. It also comes with a player character. This is a player character. So if you start your game, you enter as that character.